Every year we do a Creative AGM. 2018 sees the theme as Fear Nothing. Why fear? That's because fear can stop creatives doing their job properly.
My name's Fear. Everybody has fears.
I'm a bit scared about what's going to come, but I suppose that's the point.
I specialise really in how your thinking can affect what you achieve.
Fear of the blank page, fear of not having enough time, and fear of not knowing what to say or how to say, put a point across to the client.
It's all about those nagging voices telling you can't do things.
What is it that's holding us back? And most of the time it's ourselves and the way we're thinking.
One piece of advice, don't think too hard. Don't think yourself out of a good creative opportunity.
Mark Denton's talk was really inspiring. It was all about good ignorance. Like if you go into a project and you're not sort of compounded by the things you're not allowed to do, you end up in a really good creative space.
The one thing I'll take away from Mark, just going that extra mile and also just be a positive person.
So we've identified 3 places that we're going to work on, and that's the point of the workshops. The first one's going to be public speaking. You're going to be writing something funny or coming up with a joke. You're going to stand up here and deliver it.
Why did George Michael have chocolate around his lips? Because he was careless with his whisper.
The other workshop is the fear of the blank page. It's really scary when you have a blank page and you've got to put an idea onto it. So what we thought, wouldn't it be good to draw fear on that blank page?
We've just done the first workshop of the afternoon, which was life drawing. As creatives, that's something that I think we all fear, just getting the brief and then knowing what the hell the first thing is to write down.
Third workshop is all about addressing the fear of time.
It's said that knowledge is power. I'm not so sure about that. Action, behaviour, what you do with that knowledge is power. And there have been some great speakers here today that not only have given information, which is important, but given them the tools to apply that information when they get outside or back into the office in a creative fashion.
Fear nothing.
I think it's been a great success.
Absolutely inspiring talks.
Everyone needs to keep positive, and inspiration is always around the corner with everything that you do.
Keep being persistent, definitely keep having fun, and definitely drink less coffee.
I think it's brilliant. I think it's really addressing proper issues within the creative department. I think fear is the biggest thing that holds us back in almost every aspect of our jobs.
I've never been to any event quite like this. I've done lots of talks before, but one that's run by the agency, very impressive.